Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupali and today the background that I have is a total mess right now. You can see that, and that's because today we are leaving for Darjeeling and I am going to make a video on how I'm packing for our trip to Hillstation, and I'll show you what all I'm packing. I'll show you what all I'm packing for myself, my kid and my husband, everyone. So stay tuned if you want to watch that, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification tab just right next to it, and let's move on to the video. So I am basically a very bulakkar person, so whenever I go out somewhere I prepare a list like this from beforehand only so that I don't miss out anything. You know, a list makes your life very easy. I mean, you don't have to panic in the last moment that you have taken this or not. You don't have to panic about that. So I will always suggest you to make a list in the beginning so that you don't miss out anything on your tour. So I'm starting off with my kids' things. I'm taking 2 of his jeans. I think 2 will be enough. And then some full pants. These are some full pants. I have 8 of them. I have one kotsulka pant also. And this. Then some house pants here. And then I have some t-shirts, full t-shirts. Again I have one Kotsul t-shirt also for him. I think here I have 7 of them here, 7 t-shirts. And I also have taken some half t-shirts in case they are necessary. And I have also taken one like full no sleeve t-shirt also. Then here I have some 2 half pants, and here I have 2 full sweaters. I'm not taking any half sweater because it will be very cold there. And I have one jacket, one big size jacket here, which is again of Rehan's, and some 4 pairs of socks for him. Then I have this cap, his cap, and a muffler and one bunny cap. So apart from that, then I'm taking this one pair of house slippers, and I'll also take another slipper for him. Now for myself, I am taking this sweater. This is a big sized sweater, black sweater. And then I'm taking one more long sweater, long coat type of thing. Here I have one half sweater, and this is one sweater kurti which I'm taking, and then I have a long dress, and this is one very light sweater for the room. And then here I have some t-shirts. All are full sleeves. One Kotsul t-shirt and another full sleeve t-shirt. And then here I have a muffler and 2 caps or woolen caps rather. And then here I have 2 pair of socks. I'm taking one shawl here and 2 pair of jeans. And then here I have some night pants. 2 night pants are enough, I guess. And I am yet to take my night t-shirts. So that is all for mine. And also, yeah, my lingeries which I've already kept inside. Now coming to my husband's things, I have taken 2 half sleeves t-shirts for the hotel, and then one track pant. And then there I have one half pant here for the hotel. Then here I have some 2 and here one full sleeve t-shirt. And then this is a Kotsul. And then these are his sweaters. This is one black sweater and this is one cream colored sweater. And then here is one jacket that he's taking. And jeans. He's wearing one jeans and going, and one jeans is taking with him. And then there's a shawl here. A shawl is a must wherever you go to a hill station. And then here I have is hankies and socks. Then here I have is monkey cap and muffler. Now some essential stuffs like body lotion for my baby, baby cream, a towel here, and then one pair of sunglasses here, and I have taken one more pair in my handbag. And then I'm taking 2 umbrellas because it's raining in Darjeeling. And here in this pouch I have taken all my toiletries and my makeup essentials like sunscreen lotion, face wash. This is a body mist, and then I have my toner here, and these are some makeup essentials, brushes, pastes, and this is my pore minimizer, and this is a moisturizer. This is my night serum which I cannot live without, and this is again a moisturizer for my husband maybe, and then a foundation here, and then some kajals, mascara, lipstick, all minute makeup essentials. And then here I have my MAC lipstick, some tampons here, everything. And this is one strobing cream, and a blush. I have taken a blush and a brush also. And then I have our body lotion here. Some other things which you must never forget to take, which I have not shown here, are umbrellas. I have taken 2 of them, and then your slippers. Then medicines for yourself like some fever medicine, some gas medicines, and also medicines for your child. Like I have taken P250 for my child, and one medicine if he has some stomachache or something. And then baby wipes for your child. If they wear Pampers or Huggies, you must take them also. A bottle for your child, milk or some other foods which you need, a pair of scissors, your earphones, and then your charger, then ID cards, and your plane or train ticket ka printout, selfie stick, that is optional obviously, and all your debit and credit cards and your money, cash, everything you should be very careful about. And that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you still have not. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you.